everyone, I'm going to show you how to reset ChatGPT memory. So if you want to reset ChatGPT's memory, you have a few options. So open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Next, select Settings. Now from the left menu, look for Personalization and click on that. Now in here, scroll down and select Manage Memory. So under Memory, you have Memory Summary, so click Manage. Then from here, you can choose Clear All Memories. So click the three dots in the top right, then select Delete and Turn Off Memory. Now in the same Manage Memory section, so you can remove individual saved memories instead of clearing everything if available. You can also turn off memory from here. So you can disable it. If you want to turn it on again, just toggle it on just like so. Now, if you want to start a fresh conversation, so you can tap new chat, then this resets the conversation context, but it does not erase saved memory. So if you're trying to make ChatGPT forget only the current conversation, starting a new chat is enough. If you wanted to forget information saved across chats, you'll need to clear or manage your saved memories in Settings, then go to Personalization and go to Memory Summary, then click Manage. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.